We live in a world that moves at breakneck speed. Between juggling work, family, social obligations, and personal aspirations, many of us struggle to stay afloat amidst the chaos. Amidst all this hustle, the idea of an organized life and household can seem like an unattainable ideal. However, research shows that adopting even small changes towards organization can lead to profound improvements in health and well-being. From reducing stress to improving physical health, organization impacts multiple aspects of our lives. So let's take a look at how. Welcome back to Resources for Life, the small channel with big ambitions. Cluttered spaces often lead to cluttered minds. Studies have demonstrated a direct correlation between disorganized living spaces and heightened levels of stress. A 2010 study by UCLA's Center on Everyday Lives of Families, CELF, found that women who described their homes as cluttered or messy had higher levels of cortisol, a hormone related to stress. This consistent exposure to elevated cortisol can affect sleep, mood, and general well-being. By organizing your living space, you can create a more peaceful environment, which helps reduce anxiety and promotes relaxation. Instead of constantly searching for misplaced keys, documents, or that elusive TV remote, everything has its place, giving you peace of mind. Just stepping into such a space instantly makes you feel at ease, providing a mental break from the outside world's chaos. Check out our other videos for organization, cleaning, house maintenance, and much more. Being organized doesn't just make your home look good, it also boosts productivity. An organized space, be it your work desk or your kitchen pantry, reduces the time you spend searching for items and increases efficiency. When everything is easily accessible, you can focus more on completing tasks rather than wasting time locating what you need. In fact, research published in the Journal of Environmental Psychology found that participants working in cluttered environments were less persistent and more distracted than those in organized settings. Simply put, a tidy environment can help you work faster and more effectively. Moreover, organization extends beyond physical spaces. An organized calendar or to-do list ensures you're on top of deadlines and appointments, reducing the risk of forgotten tasks and last-minute scrambles. Please consider a like and subscribe to this small, growing channel. We aim to get better and better at bringing you good, informative and interesting content, and your support, as always, is greatly appreciated. Back to the video. Organizing your household goes hand in hand with cleanliness, which plays a pivotal role in physical health. Dust, allergens, and bacteria thrive in messy environments. Regular cleaning not only helps keep your home tidy, but also eliminates harmful pathogens that could lead to allergies, asthma, or other health issues. Clutter can also pose physical hazards. Piles of books, clothes, or other objects strewn around your home increase the risk of tripping and falling, especially for the elderly. By maintaining an organized space, you minimize these risks, ensuring a safer environment for everyone in the household. Additionally, an organized kitchen can encourage healthier eating habits. When your pantry is cluttered and disorganized, it's easy to lose track of what's there, leading to impulse buys or reliance on quick processed foods. On the other hand, an organized kitchen allows you to meal prep, make healthier food choices, and avoid food waste. Think about the last time you cleaned and organized your kitchen. With all ingredients neatly arranged and easy to find, you're more likely to whip up a healthy meal, as opposed to ordering takeout simply because you couldn't find the quinoa you bought weeks ago. Believe it or not, your bedroom's organization can directly impact your sleep quality. According to the National Sleep Foundation, a clean and organized bedroom creates an environment more conducive to sleep. When your bedroom is free of clutter and distractions, your brain associates the space with rest rather than stress or work. An unorganized bedroom, on the other hand, can contribute to feelings of anxiety or overwhelm, especially when your mind is already racing at night. A decluttered space promotes relaxation and signals to your brain that it's time to unwind. Furthermore, creating a nightly routine around organizing your space, such as tidying up your bedroom before bed, can help establish sleep-promoting habits and reinforce the bedtime routine. After a long day, stepping into a clutter-free bedroom with a neatly made bed and soft lighting creates an atmosphere that invites relaxation and encourages restful sleep. Organization provides a sense of control, which can significantly boost emotional well-being. In a world full of unpredictability, being able to control your environment, even in small ways, gives you a greater sense of autonomy and self-efficacy. A study published in Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin highlighted the psychological benefits of tidying up. Participants who decluttered their homes reported feeling more optimistic, happier, and in control of their lives. Completing small organizational tasks creates a sense of accomplishment, reinforcing positive feelings. This emotional boost is amplified by the act of decluttering. Letting go of unnecessary items can be incredibly cathartic. By removing things you no longer need, you create space for positive energy and new opportunities. It's like pressing a mental and emotional reset button. Cleaning out a closet or organizing a junk drawer may seem like a small task, but the satisfaction you feel after completing it can boost your mood and motivate you to tackle other areas of your life with renewed energy. Living in a disorganized environment can put strain on relationships. When one partner is more organized than the other, tension can arise over shared spaces. However, working together to create an organized household fosters teamwork and reduces potential sources of conflict. Couples or family members who work together to keep their living space tidy often experience better cooperation and collaboration. Clear expectations and routines help avoid resentment and create a more harmonious household. Additionally, an organized environment makes socializing easier. Inviting friends or family over to a tidy home alleviates the stress of last-minute cleanups and creates a welcoming atmosphere for guests. Lastly, an organized household can have significant financial benefits. When your home is disorganized, you're more likely to misplace items, leading to unnecessary repurchases. Additionally, organizing your finances, such as keeping track of bills, receipts, and expenses, prevents missed payments, late fees, and impulse buys. Being organized also helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. By knowing what you already have, you can avoid buying duplicate items or spending money on things you don't need. A well-organized wardrobe allows you to see all your clothing at a glance, reducing the temptation to shop for new items you don't need. From reducing stress and anxiety to improving physical health and relationships, the benefits of an organized life and household are vast and wide-reaching. It's not just about having a neat space, it's about creating an environment that promotes overall well-being. By taking small steps towards decluttering and organizing your living spaces, you're investing in your mental, emotional, and physical health. Whether it's starting with a single drawer or tackling an entire room, each step towards organization contributes to a more peaceful, productive, and healthy life. It's never too late to feel better. Thanks for watching.